The fascinating world of giraffes. Giraffes are quintessential symbols of grace and elegance in the animal kingdom. Their towering height and gentle demeanor captivate the imagination. Observing them move across the savanna is like watching a ballet in slow motion. Their elongated necks and legs contribute to their majestic presence, making them truly unique creatures. The evolutionary journey of giraffes is a fascinating story that spans millions of years. Ancestors of modern giraffes roamed the earth with shorter necks and different body structures. Over time, natural selection favored those with longer necks, allowing them to access food sources unavailable to others, shaping the giraffes we know today. Giraffes are anatomical wonders, boasting exceptionally long necks and legs that are marvels of nature's engineering. Their necks, consisting of just 7 elongated vertebrae, allow them to reach high foliage. Meanwhile, their powerful legs enable them to cover vast distances and deliver swift kicks, a vital defense mechanism against predators. Giraffes inhabit a variety of African landscapes, from savannas to woodlands. They are primarily found in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa. These regions offer the open spaces and rich vegetation giraffes need to thrive. Despite their wide range, habitat loss poses a significant threat to their populations. There are several giraffe species, each with distinct characteristics. While all giraffes share the same towering stature, differences in coat patterns and geographical locations set them apart. The reticulated giraffe, for instance, has a strikingly geometric pattern, while the Maasai giraffe exhibits irregular, vine-like spots, highlighting the diversity within the species. Giraffes primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and fruits from tall trees like acacias. Their long necks enable them to reach high foliage that other herbivores can't access. With a prehensile tongue that can extend up to 18 inches, they skillfully strip leaves from branches, making the most of their elevated dining. Giraffes live in loose social structures, often forming herds with fluid memberships. These groups typically consist of females and their young, while males may roam solo or form bachelor groups. Social bonds are essential for protection and learning, and giraffes communicate through subtle body language and occasional vocalizations. Giraffes use various sounds and signals to communicate, including grunts, snorts, and humming. Their vocalizations are often too low for humans to hear, known as infrasound. These sounds help them maintain contact over long distances, crucial for coordinating movements and alerting others to potential threats. Giraffe reproduction involves complex courtship rituals where males compete for females by engaging in necking battles. These fights determine dominance, with the victor earning the right to mate. Once pregnant, a female carries her calf for about 15 months before giving birth, often in a secluded area to ensure safety. Giraffe calves are born after a gestation period of approximately 15 months, entering the world by dropping several feet to the ground. This fall helps stimulate their first breaths. Calves are vulnerable and rely on their mothers for protection and nourishment, quickly learning to walk within hours of birth. Giraffes face numerous predators and threats in the wild. Lions, hyenas, and leopards are their primary natural predators. Human activities, including habitat destruction and poaching, pose significant dangers. Giraffes rely on their height and keen senses to spot predators early, but survival remains a constant challenge in their natural habitats. Conservation efforts are crucial for safeguarding giraffes. Various organizations work diligently to protect these majestic creatures through anti-poaching initiatives, habitat preservation, and public awareness campaigns. Community involvement and international cooperation play vital roles in ensuring that giraffes continue to thrive and their populations stabilize for future generations. Giraffes play a critical role in their ecosystems as a keystone species. They help shape the landscape by browsing on trees and shrubs, promoting plant diversity. Their feeding habits create habitats for other wildlife, showcasing their importance in maintaining ecological balance and supporting the survival of numerous other species. Human-giraffe interactions span a spectrum from coexistence to conflict. While giraffes captivate people, programs are essential in reducing conflicts and fostering mutual respect between humans and these gentle giants. Giraffes hold significant places in mythology and culture across Africa and beyond. They symbolize grace, beauty, and mystery in various folklore and art. Their unique appearance and behavior have inspired countless legends and stories, highlighting their enduring impact on human imagination and cultural heritage throughout history. Giraffes possess several unique physiological adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environment. Their long necks house specialized valves to regulate blood flow, preventing fainting when they bend down. Additionally, their hearts are incredibly strong, capable of pumping blood up their long necks to their brains efficiently. Climate change poses a significant threat to giraffe habitats, altering vegetation patterns and water sources. As temperatures rise and rainfall becomes unpredictable, giraffes must adapt to shifting food availability and habitat loss. Understanding their resilience and adaptability is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies to ensure their survival. Modern research and technology have revolutionized giraffe tracking, providing valuable insights into their behavior and migration patterns. GPS collars and drones allow scientists to monitor their movements and habitat use with unprecedented accuracy. This data is essential for creating informed conservation plans to protect these majestic animals and their ecosystems. Giraffes in captivity, such as those in zoos and sanctuaries, play a vital role in conservation and education. These facilities offer safe environments for breeding programs and public awareness initiatives. By observing giraffes up close, visitors can learn about their biology and the importance of preserving their natural habitats. The giraffe's tongue is a remarkable tool, measuring up to 18 inches in length and prehensile, allowing them to grasp and strip leaves from branches. Its dark coloration protects it from sunburn, and its rough texture helps giraffes efficiently consume thorny acacia trees, a primary food source in their diet. Giraffes undertake seasonal movements to find food and water, often migrating between different regions. These journeys are essential for their survival, as they follow the rains to lush feeding grounds. Migration patterns vary by species and region, but all giraffes display remarkable resilience in traversing vast landscapes. The giraffe's coat, adorned with unique patterns, provides vital camouflage. Each giraffe's spots are like fingerprints, unique to the individual. These patterns help them blend into the dappled light of their habitat, offering protection from predators and aiding in social recognition within their herds. Giraffes face various health challenges in the wild, including parasites and diseases. Common ailments like giraffe skin disease can affect their well-being. Wildlife veterinarians and conservationists work tirelessly to monitor and treat these majestic creatures, ensuring they remain healthy and thrive in their natural habitats. Giraffe behavior includes intricate courtship rituals and playful interactions. Males often engage in necking, a form of combat to establish dominance and win mates. Play among calves is crucial for developing social skills and physical strength, highlighting the complex social dynamics within giraffe herds. Giraffes have a relatively long lifespan in the wild, typically living around 25 years. From birth, calves face numerous challenges, relying on their mothers for protection and nourishment. As they grow, they gradually become more independent, eventually contributing to the social structure of their herds in adulthood. Giraffes draw tourists from around the globe, contributing significantly to local economies. Their majestic presence in national parks and reserves provides photographic opportunities and wildlife experiences. This influx of visitors supports jobs, promotes conservation awareness, and funds protection efforts, ensuring these gentle giants continue to grace the African savannas. The giraffe's skeletal structure is a marvel of nature, combining strength and flexibility. Despite their immense size, their bones are lightweight yet robust, allowing for graceful movement. Their unique vertebral column supports their long neck, enabling them to reach high foliage, while their legs provide stability and swift mobility. Conservation success stories for giraffes highlight the positive impact of dedicated efforts. Protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and community involvement have led to population increases in certain regions. These initiatives demonstrate that with concerted action, it is possible to reverse the decline of giraffe numbers and ensure their future survival. Giraffe genetics offers insights into their evolutionary history and adaptation. Researchers study their DNA to understand species variations and hereditary traits. Genetic diversity is crucial for their resilience against diseases and environmental changes, guiding conservation strategies aimed at preserving healthy, sustainable populations in the wild. Giraffes have unique adaptations for their water intake. They can go long periods without drinking, deriving moisture from their diet of leaves. When they do drink, their long necks and specialized circulatory systems manage the sudden changes in blood pressure, allowing them to lower their heads gracefully to water sources. Poaching has had a devastating impact on giraffe populations, driving some subspecies to the brink of extinction. Illegal hunting for meat, hides, and tails, often used in traditional medicine and cultural artifacts, exacerbates the decline. Conservation efforts are vital to combat these threats and ensure the survival of these majestic creatures. Giraffe research has yielded key findings that enhance our understanding of their behavior, physiology, and ecology. Advanced technology like GPS collars and drones allow scientists to track movements and study interactions. These insights inform conservation strategies, ensuring targeted efforts to protect giraffe habitats and improve survival rates in the wild. Giraffes have inspired countless works of art and literature, symbolizing grace and majesty. From ancient cave paintings to modern digital art, their unique forms captivate artists across cultures. Literature, too, celebrates giraffes, featuring them in stories and poems that highlight their elegance and the challenges they face in the wild. Giraffes play a significant role in African economies, particularly through tourism. Safari tours and wildlife parks draw visitors eager to see these iconic animals, generating revenue that supports local communities. Additionally, giraffes contribute to ecosystem services, maintaining biodiversity and promoting a balanced environment crucial for sustainable economic development. Giraffes possess unique physiological adaptations to manage their high blood pressure and circulatory system. Their specialized heart structure and blood vessels prevent fainting when they raise and lower their heads. Understanding these adaptations not only fascinates scientists but also offers insights into medical research, potentially benefiting human health. Giraffes contribute significantly to biodiversity by serving as keystone species in African ecosystems. Their feeding habits help maintain the balance of plant life, promoting habitat diversity for numerous other species. By selectively browsing, they shape vegetation structures, which in turn support various forms of wildlife, ensuring a robust and dynamic ecosystem. In the digital age, giraffes have become online sensations, captivating audiences with their unique appearance and gentle demeanor. Social media platforms and live streams from zoos have turned giraffes into beloved internet icons, raising awareness about their conservation needs and fostering a global community of wildlife enthusiasts and advocates. Giraffes play a vital role in education, offering an engaging way to teach about wildlife and ecosystems. Their distinctive features and behaviors capture the imagination of students, making learning about biology, conservation, and environmental science more relatable and exciting. Educational programs often use giraffes to illustrate broader ecological principles. Numerous organizations are dedicated to giraffe conservation, working tirelessly to protect these magnificent animals. Key players include the Giraffe Conservation Foundation and various wildlife trusts, which focus on habitat preservation, anti-poaching efforts, and research initiatives. Their collaborative efforts aim to ensure giraffes thrive in their natural habitats for future generations. The future of giraffes is uncertain, facing challenges like habitat loss, climate change, and poaching. However, there is hope through ongoing conservation efforts and increased global awareness. By addressing these threats and promoting sustainable practices, we can aim to secure a thriving future for giraffes, ensuring their survival and ecological contributions.